Devin, do you want your birthday cake? Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Devin, have your cake.
Hey, move on. You guys have to put your cake down. Give it to Nanos.
Yeah, Devin's cake is like gone already.
Anna's just licking it. She's like, you piglets.
Good boy, Webbles. Happy birthday! And Miss Moose is gone. And Annie is just sitting there growling over hers.
She's like, could somebody cut mine for me, please?
No. See, there's the cake. I was very stingy when I sliced it.
So they wouldn't barf.
He's a good boy. Where's your cake, Nummy?
Come on.